Hello, my name is Timlaya Ogungbemi, and I'm here to present my research topic, which is the effects of the other race effect on making face name associations. The purpose of this study is to observe how the ORE affects making accurate face name associations and the extent to which the ORE affects this will be measured and analyzed. One of the other purposes is to connect the bridge or bridge the gap between the two focus studies that already exist, which is studying the ORE and making face name associations. The purpose of this study would be to try to bridge the gap and connect the two different literature to better understand how the ORE affects making face name associations and other aspects of our lives. Significance of this study has many significance. Some of them are to better understand the social implications, which is being able to see somebody's face and being able to remember their name, remember their face, and be able to make that connection. And which is very important for making and maintaining healthy social relationships. You don't want to be in situations where you meet somebody multiple times and you don't remember the name or faces. That would be very catastrophic, to say the least. It also has implications when we consider eyewitness testimonies in the criminal justice system. So the ORE, there's a lot of research that surrounds how the ORE affects eyewitness testimonies and how this could either enhance it or in some cases make the eyewitness testimony invalid because they made a false eyewitness. The eyewitness testimony was false. The research question that I have is, does the ORE have an observable effect on making accurate face name association? And to what degree does this phenomenon cause an observable effect? The hypothesis that I'm currently working on is the ORE will directly affect the ability to form accurate face name associations. And the accuracy of making face name association will primarily be higher for people of the same race. So, for example, if a Black participant were to look at a Black person's face in the study, it would be easier for them to make the face name association for other Black participants as opposed to other races that would be in the study. And the research plan that I have for the summer would be the completion of data collection for the name rating survey. So in order to be able to have a name to pair with the faces, we need to get names that are rather common and racially ambiguous. So we don't want a name that a person would easily identify with as being a white person's name or a Black person's name, just a plain neutral name. And that would be the goal of the name rating survey. And after that, we will use the names that we get from that survey and pair them with different faces that we will get ready. After which we will begin programming and completing the main experiment, which should take about a week to 2 weeks to finish programming it and then launching it. So after we launch it, it should take us about maybe a week, maybe less, to complete data collection for that. And after we complete the data collection for the main experiment, we will analyze the data and observe the effect of the ORE on the participants' abilities to make accurate face name recognitions or associations and see how accurate they were or how inaccurate they were in making those associations.